Presentation for Smart Paper with QV Code Certificate. This is Model Degree Certificate using Smart Paper with QV Code. Let us see features of the Smart Paper. The paper is 100% non-tearable. It is resistant to water, does not absorb, chemical and stain resistant. The surface can be wet wiped of stains. It is 100% tree-free, hence friendly to the environment. The paper is 100% recyclable. It can be printed in all types of printers. Type the web address in the address bar and press enter. And the page will be redirected to scanning the document. You can select the option from the list box. So the camera which is available on the system is shown. You can show the QV code which is available on the certificate in front of the camera. It takes few seconds to scan the certificate. Password will be provided from Traxystar University after the payment via bank demand draft or through online payment. You can input the password to verify. You have options to select from drop-down items. Click View Details. System generates the document verification acknowledgement number provided from Traxystar University. You can select drop-down for more options. Select View Data Image Items to show the original certificate provided from the Traxystar University. The advantages of using QV code on Smart Paper. There is no possibility to create the duplication of document. The verification of the document is done by few minutes online. The quick verification process saves huge amount of time for the concerned department of the university and also helps them collect the official fees for the same online. The QV code brings the whole student database to eCentral point and marks the management of student data easy. No need of any special hardware or reader to scan the document. Regular web camera is enough to scan the document. QV code makes the handling of the student data highly secure and confidential. Only select personnel handling the printing of the certificates are exposed to the confidential data. No need to laminate the paper. Lifetime of the paper is infinite. So mark sheets and degree certificates are lifetime asset to the students. No capital costs, no expensive hosting costs, no special equipment costs. This is a based solution that resides on existing systems of the university. Our target segments: degree certificate, mark sheet, provisional certificate, birth and death certificate in corporations, registration documents in registration departments, valuable documents in government departments,